Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Create Gmail Account Without Phone Number. Let's dive right in. Launch the Settings app on your mobile device. Scroll down and select the Accounts option. Tap on Add Account within the Accounts section. Choose Google from the list of available account types. On the sign-in screen, tap Create Account and specify if the account is for personal use or business. Fill in your details and tap Next. Enter your desired username and tap Next. Create a password, tap Next, and confirm by tapping Next again. Agree to terms, review the privacy and terms, then tap I agree. Your Gmail account is now successfully created without a phone number. If prompted for a phone number by Google, simply select the Skip option. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.